Hello. During my previous videos, I have explained how to answer the what is your strength, what is your weakness, tell us about yourself, what do you know about our company. Such that there are so many interview questions, frequently asked interview questions. I have explained how to answer those questions. Today, this video, we are going to see how to negotiate the salary. Salary negotiation is an important discussion to be done during the interview process. If you don't do it effectively, then you will be likely get lesser salary compared to your colleagues. Also, there are chances are there to lose the employment if your expected salary is very high. So how to balance it? This is a very tricky question, also very important questions, because this will fetch you your money. Okay, so please listen carefully. How to negotiate the salary during the interview? There are two types. One is for freshers, another is for experienced people. Now let us see this video for freshers. My next video will be for experienced people, how to negotiate the salary. Okay, now let us come to the point. If you are a fresher, you are attending the interview and you have completed the interview process, first and foremost, the important point is you should get the confidence that yes, you have done well in this interview, number one. Number two, if the interviewers also should have get some sort of confidence that yes, this candidate is very smart, he has answered most of the questions. That confidence you should have given to them. This is a basis. Okay, and when they start the salary negotiation, there are two types. First, they will ask what is your expectations. Otherwise, they will tell I can give only 20,000. Okay, now assume that for freshers 25,000 is a salary. Okay, so what you should have done is before you attend the interview, you should have made some research on similar positions, similar qualifications. What is the salary range available in the market? Some research you must have done it before coming for interview, not after the interview, before coming for interview, because these questions can be asked at any point of time during the interview. So you should have done the research. Based on the research, you should have kept some figure in your mind. Also, important quality is you should have patience. Okay, in case you have made some sort of research and you are comfortable with 20 to 25,000 or 22 to 25,000, you must say, sir, thank you for your offer. If you pay me 22,000 to 25,000, I will be comfortable. Please don't use the word happy. Sir, if you pay me 25,000, I will be happy. So there are two things. One is you should mention the salary range. Second, you should not use the word happy, because happiness differs from person to person. Okay, for you it may be happy, for others it not necessary that they should also be happy. Okay, but comfort is the specific to person. Okay, so you say I feel comfortable if you pay me 22,000 to 25,000 because I am coming all the way from wherever you are coming to work and stay expenses. Just you list 2 or 3 expenses. Don't list your family problems, family financial conditions. Okay, list the job associated expenses 3. You list it out. Finally, before you finish, you must specify, sir, if you observe my interview skills, I have answered most of your questions. Also, I am confident that I can deliver the output to meet your expectations. I feel very comfortable working here, and also most of your manufacturing process or software technologies, I am aware of it. So based on the technical and keeping in view of my expenses, so my salary range, I am expecting 22,000 to 25,000 to make me too comfortable. Thank you. You have to finish like this. If you finish like this, definitely the interviewer will get convinced. Please understand, every company will have a salary range, minimum to maximum. They cannot go beyond that. However, the way you project your position and statement, it will be more effective, and chance of getting more salary also is available. Okay, so thank you for watching this YouTube channel RJB's Career Support. Please keep watching. My next video will be for experienced people, how to negotiate the salary. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Namaste.